been quite a few people on bikes. No, like I said, nobody's tried the right line yet on the quad. I just don't know if it's doable. I mean, well, it's doable, but you gotta have the perfect run or you're in trouble. I'll try it today. Yeah, I'll give her a shot. The worst part's coming down.